Welcome to Professor's Garage. My friend's Honda CR-V burns oil. His last oil change was about a month ago, and the oil level is already near the minimum. This is a 4-cylinder engine, no oil leak, but it appears to have a breathing problem. The PCV, or positive crankcase ventilation valve, is probably clogged up. I have another video with more details about PCVs, and I will post a link here. Today, let's remove it from the CR-V and take a look. The PCV is at the top of the engine. The 10mm bolt secures it in place. It's very easy to remove. You can either use a box wrench or a 10mm socket with a long extension like this. Pull the PCV straight out. Shake it, and you can hear nothing. It's clogged and should be replaced. Always use an OE port from Honda. Compare them and listen. The new PCV clicks and sounds good. Dip a little bit of engine oil to lubricate the two O-rings on the PCV. This ensures it will go into the housing smoothly. Gently push it straight in. Thread the bolt on with fingers and torque it to 7 foot-pounds or finger tight only. This is plastic. Please do not over-tighten it. Add engine oil to max. Start the engine and check for leaks. All looks good. I asked my friend to keep an eye on the engine oil level. Hopefully there is nothing else. I hope you found this video to be helpful and informative. Consider giving us a like and subscribing to Professor's Garage. If a professor can do it, you can do it. Until next time, may the Lord bless you and grant you peace. 平安。